Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will be tell you about how to fix speaker sound low problem. If you are having very low speaker or sound is very low or your speaker is not working, any kind of this problem is occurring due to of the speaker. So friends, first you have to check your speaker properly. Sometimes dust particle go inside this port and your speaker will go slow. So you have to first open your settings. First you have to just remove the dust particle using any brush or anything, or you can just go to your nearby shop for cleaning of the port, the speaker one. And second, you can just check it from the setting. If you have fully increased the volume level, so you can see from here you can increase all the level. It is alarm, this is notification, this is you can see sound, and here it is call, music, all of this will be increased. Then you have to go to sound and vibration. You have to check your settings, that is all okay, and your vibration of your smartphone is enabled, haptics and feedbacks is enable. Here it is, you can enable and disable. So if it you this is how you can check it. Or sometimes there will be problem, so you can just long press your power button and restart your smartphone, it will be fixed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.